Standard 12th Maths, Chapter 3, Exercise 3.3, Question number 5. Question: Find all the zeros of the polynomial x power 6 minus 3x cube minus 5x power 4 plus 22x cube minus 39x squared minus 39x plus 135. So this is the polynomial of degree 6. So therefore it must have 6 roots, and they given one of the two out of the 6 roots, 2 roots are 1 plus 2i and root 3. So you have to find the remaining 4 roots. See, one root here is 1 plus 2i complex root, and this is irrational number. See, we know that complex roots, they occur in pair. If one root is 1 minus 2i, its conjugate 1 minus 2i is also the roots. So 1 plus 2i and 1 minus 2i are the roots. So complex roots always occur in pair. So if given 1 plus 2i, so therefore automatically we can get 1 minus 2i are the roots. So these two are roots of the one of the polynomial. Let me take the sum of the roots as S1, 1 plus 2i plus 1 minus 2i, that is equal to 2. Then product of the roots, let me find the product of the roots 1 plus 2i into 1 minus 2i, that is equal to 1 squared. I squared is minus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5. So therefore the factor is the factor quadratic one, x squared minus sum of the roots coefficient of x plus product. So x squared minus sum of the roots is 2x plus product is 5. So this is one of the root, we get quadratic root. The other one is root 3 is a root. So therefore minus root 3 is also a root. Because irrational roots always occur in pair. Just now we have seen in the previous sums also. Therefore S1 sum of the root 3 minus root 3 is equal to 0. Product of the root S2 root 3 into minus root 3. So minus root 3 into root 3, 3. You will get minus 3. Therefore x squared minus sum of the roots is 0x plus product is minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, so you need not write 0. So one of the factor, just it is a factor. So x square minus 3 is another factor. So you got two factors, two quadratic factors. So let me write the whole expression and equate it to them. X power 6 minus 3x power 5. See, and also 3x power 5. Before doing this, you just multiply these roots. Therefore combined factors is x square minus 2x plus 5 into x squared minus 3. So multiply this, x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 5x squared minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 15. So x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 5x square minus 3x square plus 2x square plus 6x minus 15. Now let me write the whole expression. X power 6 minus 3 x power 5 minus 5 x power 4 plus 22 x power 3 minus 39 x squared minus 39x plus 135 is equal to, the combined factors are x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x squared plus 6x minus 15 into, so you have to find one more factors, that is the quadratic factor, because here degree 4 you have. For our factor it is expression, the higher power is 6. So we need one more 2 degree x power 2. So this is x power 2. So you will get x power 6. And then it must contain, the factors contains one x term, x square term, x term, constant term. So after x square term, I have to get x term, but we cannot find that x term here, px. Let me mark it as px. And we can take the constant term here, 15. Minus 15 here constant, but in our expression the constant is 135. So divide this 135 by 15. It goes here 9 times here. For you it is 9 times. Therefore minus 9. That also minus 9. So I need to find only the coefficient of xp value for our factor. So what I do, I compare the coefficient of x term. So left side, what is the x coefficient here? Minus 39. Come to the right side, collect the x term here. This is x square term. See, take the x term here, p, coefficient of x is p here. Same constant term you have to take. Constant is minus 15. So minus 15 into p is x coefficient, minus 15p. And this is constant, minus 9. You multiply with the x term here, 6. Therefore 9 6 are 54 minus 54. So now simplify here, minus 39 plus 54 is equal to minus 15p. So 15 plus 15 equal to minus 15p. So the value of p is equal to 15 by minus 15. That is minus 1. So therefore the required factor is x squared, p is minus 1. So x squared minus 1, next minus 9. So I have to find the factor for the separate factors. So apply in the formula, a is 1, b is minus 1, c is equal to minus 9. So x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is minus b, that is plus 1 plus or minus root of b squared is 1 minus 4ac. 4 into 1 into minus 9, that is 36 divided by 2, that is 1 plus or minus root of 37 by 2. This is your answer. Therefore the roots are 1 plus or minus 2i, then plus or minus root 3. Just now we have got 1 plus or minus root 37 by 2. See, root 37 is an irrational number. You have plus or minus. For irrational number also always occur in pair. So that problem over. Thank you.